So one of the problems I'm having with this car is, if you look here, the tumbler is, or the outside of the tumbler, it is not matching the inside of the key. So the thing is always beeping, like you can hear now. Then you sort of got to line it up with the key and it'll work. The problem is the thing, sometimes you can't get rid of the beep no matter how hard you try. So right now I got lucky, but there's always a chance you'll turn it on and you can hear it's beeping again. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace the tumbler. Now, this is a 95 Mustang. So in 96, you don't have the PAT system. I'm not familiar with any cars that do have maybe a first gen PATs. So the good news is I don't have to get this key redone, you know, and get a new tumbler and all that. Now, my hopes is just the tumbler's broken, but if it's more than the tumbler, you know, I'm gonna probably have to replace. There's a piece of plastic that actually goes into the starter solenoid. I do have that part in case I need it. They're only about $8, so I have them laying around for these cars, and it's a similar part to the Fox body. As a matter of fact, a lot of these parts are similar. The 94 and 95 share a lot with the Fox body. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to replace the tumbler in hopes that's all I have to do. So I'll start on that. There's some screws at the bottom here, and you can see the holes for them. You just got to remove the screws in that, remove the bezel to get access to the tumbler. So it looks like I'm going to have to take off the bezel then to get to access. There's a third screw there. So I was hoping I didn't have to do that. So it's not like the Fox body, and the fact that I do have to take off the bezel. Remove the lock. There's a button right there. And you have to put the key to all the way before the start position, and then it'll come off, then it'll come out. All right. So this is the original lock. It's busted, and more than likely, I hope that's my only problem. So I have a replacement lock here. The instructions say do not change this, and it should fit right in. And so when you put the new tumbler in, so this is the new tumbler, all you care is the lock pin is facing down. and the groove matches what's in there. Now, I took it straight out of the cardboard protector. It says don't move it. It went straight in. I didn't have to change everything. So if you actually follow the instructions, you're good to go. But now if you look, the key isn't making any noise. I put the new key in. Car will start. And the key doesn't beep anymore. So it was just a tumbler, thank God. It's a pain if you have to replace everything else around it. So I'm done with that. I am done with the tumbler. The key starts, doesn't make beeps anymore, lines up, and I'm good to go.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.